Hello, myself Satnam Singh. In this session, we will discuss half cells for the determination of pH of a solution. If the cell involves H ions or OH ions, the electrode potential depends on the concentration of H ions in solution. pH, which is given by the relation pH is equal to negative log of H ion concentration. Electrodes that can be used to measure pH of a solution are hydrogen electrode, quinhydron electrode, and glass electrode. Hydrogen electrode, this is the diagram of hydrogen electrode. Half reaction at the platinum surface involves H ions plus electron giving rise to hydrogen. Assuming hydrogen to be ideal gas at 1 atmosphere, we can write E electrode is equal to minus RT by F natural log 1 by H ion concentration is equal to minus 2.303 RT by F pH. At 298 Kelvin, we can write potential of electrode is equal to minus 0.0591 into pH. Hydrogen electrode, when it is coupled with the reference electrode in order to form the cell, can be written as reference electrode salt bridge. Hydronium ion whose concentration is to be determined in contact with hydrogen gas at 1 atmosphere in platinum electrode. We can write E cell is equal to E right minus E left is equal to 0.0591 into pH minus E reference. From this, we can find out pH of the solution. Use of hydrogen electrode for pH determination is severely limited. It may not be used in solutions containing reducible materials, and it is easily poisoned by catalytic poisons that hinder the establishment of equilibrium at the surface. Another electrode that can be used for determination of pH of solution is quinhydron electrode. Quinhydron is the molecular crystal formed between the quinone and hydroquinone. Quinhydron decomposes in water into its constituent compounds, that is quinone and hydroquinone. Reduction reaction at the electrode is quinone plus electrons plus proton giving rise to hydroquinone. Electrode is reversible with respect to H ions. Electrode consists of gold wire immersed in a solution whose pH is to be determined. Electrode is gold in contact with quinone, hydroquinone in contact with H ions. The solution is saturated with quinhydron. In solution, activities of quinone and hydroquinone are equal. Therefore, electrode potential is equal to standard electrode potential minus RT by 2F natural log 1 by H ion concentration square. We can write the equation like this, where standard potential is equal to 0.699 volt Quinhydron electrode coupled with the reference electrode can be written as reference electrode, salt bridge, hydronium ion whose concentration is to be determined, quinone, hydroquinone in contact with gold. We can write E cell is equal to E right minus E left is equal to standard reduction potential minus 2.303 RT by F pH minus E of reference. From this we can find out the pH equal to this relationship at 298 Kelvin. pH can be found by this relationship. Limitations of quinhydron electrode. There is linear relationship between electrode potential and the pH of the solution up to 8.5. It is not useful if solution contains oxidizing or reducing substances. Other electrode that is used to determine pH of the solution is glass electrode. Glass electrode consists of glass tube terminating into thin-walled bulb of special glass. The bulb contains solution of H ions and electrode, which is silver chloride in contact with halide ion. Bulb is inserted into solution whose pH is to be determined. Resulting half cell is combined with the reference electrode through a salt bridge. Glass electrode is combined with calomel electrode through salt bridge. This silver chloride in contact with 0.1 molar HCl. Then there is a glass solution of unknown pH and through salt bridge the calomel electrode. We can write E cell is equal to E right minus E left, where E right is the calomel electrode and E left is the silver chloride ion electrode. Value of left end potential can be found to be dependent on the difference in pH of the solution inside the glass electrode and outside the glass electrode. As the pH of the solution inside the glass electrode is constant, the potential of glass electrode depends on the pH of the test solution. Potential of glass electrode is equal to standard potential of glass electrode minus RT by F natural log H ion concentration. It can be written by this relationship, that is potential of glass electrode is dependent on the pH of the solution. Standard electrode potential of the glass electrode do not have the same value. For this, buffer solution of known pH is taken and glass electrode is dipped into this and EMF of the cell is determined. From this EMF, E glass can be determined. E cell is equal to E reference minus E glass, which is given by this relationship, and E naught glass can be found from this relationship. After this, Glass electrode is dipped into a solution whose pH is to be determined and then pH calculated with E0 glass that has been found here. Glass electrode is unaffected by poisoning and oxidizing and reducing agents. Hence, most often it is the glass electrode which is used for the determination of pH of a solution. Thanks for watching this video.